Hi, I'm Shareen. As part of the library team at RCL, I'm here to help you make the most of our library resources. In this video, I'll introduce you to Talis, our online reading list system. This is where you can find all your essential and recommended reading. I'll walk you through Talis's most useful features and show you how they can support your learning. You can access Talis by logging into your Canvas account. Once you log into Canvas, you'll navigate to your module, where you will find your Talis reading list. The first feature I'd like to highlight with Talis is the ability to modify your reading list. This allows you to organize your resources in a way that works best for you, helping you keep track of useful materials alongside your assigned readings. The second feature I'd like to highlight in Talis is the citation tool. Talis allows you to generate your citations for your assignments based on your reading list, which can help you reference your sources more accurately. The third and final feature I'd like to highlight is the ability to add personal notes into your Talis reading list. You can add private notes to items on your reading list, helping you record key ideas, reminders, or reflections as you study. I hope this video encourages you to use Talis's features to support your studies. Thank you for watching.